Hello, what's up guys? My name is Isira and today I'm going to show you how to insert multiple page numbering formats appear in the same Microsoft Word document. For this tutorial I have used Microsoft Office 2013, but you can also use Microsoft Office 2010 or 16. Alright, for this tutorial I have created a sample Microsoft Word document for you. For this tutorial I will be using this document for the demonstration purpose. In this document I have a title page and a supportive page for the title page and the table of contents page and the rest of the document. Guys, please understand the basic concept behind this multiple page formats in the same document incident. The number of multiple page formats you need to have in the same document will always be less than or equal to the number of sections in that document. As an example, if you want to have three types of page numbering formats appear in the same document, you need to have at least three sections in the same document. The number of page numbering formats will be less than or equal to the number of sections in the document. Now this is what I want to do. For this title page, I don't want any page numbers, and for the supportive page of the title page and the table of contents page, for these two pages I want to have Roman numbers as page numbers, and for the rest of the document I want to have Hindu Arabic numbers as page numbers. So let's begin. First of all, we need to create sections for each type of page numbering formats. Go to your home tab and enable this hidden formatting symbols enabling button, and it will show all the hidden characters available in the document. Then I'm going to create the first section and the second section together. To create two sections, you will need to have a section break. Place your cursor at the bottom of your first section. This is where I need to have the section break. So place your cursor in the at the bottom of the first section and go to page layout, breaks, next page. It will show you a section break mark, and this is the first section and this is the second section. Similarly, we can break the section 2 and section 3 using a section break. Place your cursor at the bottom of the section 2 and breaks, next page. Now this section break will break the document to section 2 and section 3. I will remove these additional spaces created by the section break. Right, now we have three different sections, but the problem is these three sections are connected to each other, so we need to break that connection. To break that connection, first I'm going to break the connection between the first section and the second section. To enable header and footer design tools, please double click on the header or footer area in the document in any page like this, and you can see here this is the section 1 and this is section 2, and there's some indication shows as same as previous. So for now this section 1 and section 2 is connected together. To break that connection, place your cursor at the bottom of the first page of the section 2 like this, and you can see here link to previous button is enabled. You need to disable this connection, and now on the section 1 and section 2 will not be connected. Similarly, we have to break the connection between the section 2 and section 3. Place your cursor at the bottom of the first page of the third section and disable this link to previous button. Now all our sections are not connected to each other, so we can have multiple page numbering formats for each section. I'm going to close this header and footer view, and I'm going to disable this hidden characters showing button. And since I don't want any page numbering appear in the title page, I omit that page. For these two pages, the table of contents page and the supportive page for the title page, I need to have Roman numbers. Double click to enable the footer again, footer and header and footer and tools design tab, and go to page numbers, bottom of the page. I prefer this type of page numbering. Now it will appear at the bottom of the page as Hindu Arabic numbers, but I want Roman numbers for this section. So go to page numbers, format page numbers, choose the number format and start at 1. Now it will show the Roman numbers. For this section I want to have Hindu Arabic numbers. Place your cursor at the footer area and page numbers. It will show the page numbers in the each page of the document. Now I'm going to close this header and footer. Now you can see in the header, in the title page, we don't have any page numbers, and the second page and the third page we have Roman numbers like this, and in the rest of the document I have Hindu Arabic numbers appear at the bottom of each page. Alright guys, please remember the concept of this page numbering formats. Always the number of page numbering formats should be equal to the sections of the document. You need to keep the same amount of sections as per the page numbering formats you need to have for this document. So hope you enjoyed the video, and sorry for my bad English. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.